And see you later, Benny!
Oh, Powered, just gets enough. It's an HBL 6. You have to take a risk at times, and he will punish you.
And the fans are happy. Gayle is on song. Look at the big bat, making sure that the ball is out of the ground. Full elevation there, and maximum.
Down the ground, maximum.
Well, something had to give. Ben Dunk into that HBL tournament 6 counter, 183, and it was much needed. Ben Dunk breaks the shackles. A little bit pitched up, read it beautifully.
Do love the haircut, just jealous really, that's all. Here he comes. And there he goes! He's been fatted here, David Visa. HBL 6.5 from Dark and Stormy.
What a welcome this is. First delivery of the over. Into the arc, into the slots and out of the ground.
Off the bottom of the bat, gone for 91 metres. I think he's got one near the middle yet, Gayle.
Same delivery finds itself 20 yards over the fence. A delightful piece of stroke play.
Well, he does go, and he goes big and handsome, and the maximum again. Huge over, 90 knob.
Needs to hold his shape, Gayle. He's just clearing that front leg a little bit and losing his shape when it's wide of off stump.
Sounded okay. And it's gone all the way for another HBL maximum. Gayle, 46 now.
It was a great Safraz fist pump there. I'm just watching out the window. And Safraz was really excited about this one.
It is beautifully struck, but it was right in his slot, wasn't it? And you can see just before the ball is delivered, he set himself.
Oh, goes big, goes huge. That is massive.
Count up that HBL counter. This one is a big one. Just tossed and looped up, said hit me. Got every last piece of it.
Kalandas quite badly, another chance. Visa doesn't have the visa to catch it. It's gone over the top. 50 for the great man.
Yeah, what an innings. What an innings by Gayle. 50 from 32 deliveries. 3 HBL 6s, 4 4s. He gets better with age.
Short, and he goes again. Same result.
And an excellent 50 as well. He is playing these shorter deliveries so well, effortlessly. Great power. A man that's only just been brought back into the side. Look at that 89% middle. How often you'd see an innings as aggressive as this from Ben Dunk. It's as though he's questioning whether it's going to go over there.
Goes big, goes leg side, and it's cleared the ground.
Monster hit, really was clubbed. And he's not a medium pacer. We're talking about a guy who's bowled the ball at 144 clicks. And have a look at that heave. 99-meter hit. What a player. What an entertainer.
Disappearing. Length delivery. Guess who? Bubble boy Ben Dunk. Brilliant.
That is such a good shot. Played the angle. He's not a big spinner of the ball.
Yeah, and after this innings, he will need it to bowl tea. He need to sit down, relax, and a nice.
Oh, down the ground again! 4 sixes in the over. 27 after 15. 189 sixes. And a time for the timeout. I think we need it. Nepal done it our strategic timeout, but Dunky has provided you with just the deal so that now you can enjoy your cup of tea.
Oh, you look so happy, and so are the Columbia fans. It's electrifying. Wish you all the best, and back to the comms.
Put a hard hat on, Fakriala. It's raining maximums. Talk about scary here at Gaddafi. Oh, stunning.
Yeah, he doesn't want to keep it down. He doesn't want to hit boundary. He wants to go over the top. Keep going, son. Keep going. Lahore Qalandars are on top. Full house here. And they're all having fun.
Traffic cop here is Sarfaraz Ahmed. He's waving furiously at the field right because we've got Big Ben Cutting. He's going to bowl the 20th. And here's a tune-up. Here's two Brisbane Grammar old boys facing off. Ben Dunk versus Ben Cutting. Here we go. And see you later, Benny. Benny Cutting, that has just got boshed back over the side screen by Ben Dunk.
Welcome to the crease. Ben Cutting. That's the wrong length. 10-6 for Ben Dunk. Staying deep in the crease. What a big hit. Amazing. 96 meters.